All right, I'm just literally waiting for this break of structure right here to happen before I go bearish. I am bearish on US100. As you can see, I'm using currency.com, and we've taken out this buy side liquidity that happened before market open, 9:30 New York time. And let's zoom out a bit. You can see I have more buy side liquidity here that the price has taken out. It has dropped pretty quickly. Now I'm just waiting for a break of structure. And what we have here is a nice little fair value gap. We also have one here. Throw that out in time. So there's our fair value gaps, which price may swing into. But I want to see a break of structure first. We could have another structure if this breaks down to here, goes back up. Then we can create its own structure, break it, but we'll see. I'm bearish, so I'm only looking for bearish things. Now, if it's bullish, we may not get a bearish signal, but I've been bearish. I do not have any faith in our economy right now. Yeah, we'll just sit and wait. As you can see, I already have my sell order ready to go. I just got to click the button when all my conditions are met. I do have a question for ICT. How do you know if it's a liquidity grab or a break of market structure? Like, how can you tell? Like, was this right here, price running up above this old high, was that liquidity grab or is that a break of structure? That is my question. Same right here. Is that a liquidity grab? I don't necessarily know how that works 100%. As you can see with my black lines, those are definitely liquidity grabs. I look for relative equal highs or lows to be broken. That's what I consider liquidity. Now we're dropping just like I figured we would. You might get a swing low at about here to fill in this little gap. Just wait to see what happens. All right, so price is filled the gap. It hasn't completely balanced yet. Now it has. So what ICT says, you're looking for upswing, take out liquidity, and then a break in market structure to make it bearish. Sort of like yoink. Like that. Like that. That takes out liquidity. And then fast move down. Break the structure. That's what I'm looking for in this pattern. So we have broke the structure. Let me just change what we got here. And that into a BOS. It hasn't broken it. Hit it. So I don't know if it's liquidity grab or break structure. I want to see it close below that. Either way, I think this would be good enough because this is a fast move down. But if you're wondering, these are targets. Blue lines are targets. So I'm taking partials at this one, here at this fair value gap, and then finally all the way at the bottom. Now price is moving back up. Good. Yeah, so here's the general pattern you want to see. Up, make a high, higher low, higher high, take out liquidity, which we did, and a fast breakdown, which is what we have. So this is what he taught. This is what I'm hoping happens. I mean, this is paper trade. I'm practicing. All I'm doing. Like I said in my last video, I know it's been a while. I'm not going to be consistent with uploading. I have a life. This bit of price action has been delivered efficiently, but from here has not been. So price most likely will retrace up here or even here. We have a lot of room to cover before I even think about placing myself. I think price still may go down just a little bit lower about here. We'll see. Nobody really knows what the market's going to do. Looks like price is doing its thing. More of a bullish move. There it is. Now, if you want to go talk about OTE, 79% retracement, and 75. So this fair value gap right in between there. There may not be a bad place to get in. So Besides, if it is bearish and it retraces up here, this would be a premium market. Price looks like it's delivering efficiently on the way up so far. But you never know what price is going to do. But I feel that if price gets up in here, in this fair value gap, roughly 143.09 and a half, I'll hit my button, see how the trade plays out. Trade plays out. I'm so tired. I was up till about 2 a.m. There we go. We're running higher. We're running quick in this fair value, right about halfway. I want it to run up here. Balance perfect. I still think it's going to run higher. If not, oh well, I'm not taking it fitted. Right in the equilibrium. A little bit more in equilibrium. So it is running higher. Almost there. I could be wrong. We could be bullish today. That's what my channel's about. It's about being wrong. It's about learning. No hindsight. No using the long and short tool. People be like, oh yeah, I took a trade here and blah, blah, blah. No. Oh, we're almost there. Almost. Right over that. As soon as I see that, no. As soon as I see it go in there, I'm hitting the button. Boom, we're in there. Now let's see what happens. Could very well go up to here. this was a pretty good area to get into. Now we'll just sit and watch. Really think I should take a partial level. It's kind of a relative equal low. And give me what I want. Still might modify that. All this. Oh, looks like price, I don't know. I don't know what price is going to do. My take profit is still down here. But our history took a 8,000 off the table. and we were taken out. Well, not bad for a scalp though. See, if I didn't take partials, what would have happened? We're closing on this fair value gap. Yep, ran right through it. Well, that's it. I don't have much to say.